Today I'm going to show you a useful trick to select our object at the first time without smash the button. So this way is quickly and accurately than the old method. We are going to start in our scene with 6 objects. I guess that in your case you could have tons of objects and sometimes select the correct one is a little bit frustrating. You skip the correct one because you press twice. So with this method we are going to open a menu to select the correct one. I have to give you an advice: you must keep a correct nomenclature to know exactly which is the name of the object that you want to select. In this case I keep a basic nomenclature. The trick consists in press Alt plus click and we are going to open a menu. We don't need to keep the button Alt pressed while we have the menu opens. One advice that I can tell you is press Shift C to see through the objects and know exactly all the objects that we can select with our click. In this case I'm going to select the smallest. So that's it. I hope it could help you to save time in our selection and don't be disappointed when you have to select objects that are hidden by other objects. So see you in the next video.